Hey everyone! If you're working on taking control of your finances and want to actually see your progress, stay motivated, and maybe even have a little fun along the way, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use my monthly budget tracker, and guess what? I'm also giving you my habit tracker for free. Yep, totally free. So if you're ready to make tracking your budget easier and way more motivating, let's get started. First things first, moving between different tabs in the spreadsheet is super easy. Step 1, look for the tabs at the bottom of the spreadsheet. Step 2, click on the tab you want to view. And if you want to go back, just click on the previous tab anytime. That's it. Now let's move on to setting things up. The Customization tab is where you personalize the spreadsheet to match your financial setup. Step 1, set the month and year. This ensures your budget is set for the correct time period. Step 2, choose your currency. The currency you select will be used throughout the entire spreadsheet. If the one you need isn't listed, just let me know, I'll add it for you. Step 3, fill in your categories. You'll see sections for income, expenses, debts, and savings and investments. Add the categories that make sense for you. A few things to keep in mind. 1, in the income section, tick the checkbox for active income sources. Leave it unticked for passive income. 2, in the debt section, tick the checkbox for high priority debts. Leave it unticked for lower priority ones. 3, in the expenses section, tick the checkbox for expenses that are needs. Leave it unticked for wants. Finally, in the savings and investment section, tick the checkbox for long-term savings pools. Leave it unticked for short-term ones. Step 4, assign icons to categories. Make your dashboard visually appealing. To do this, copy an icon from the options provided and paste it values only next to each category. And just like that, your customization tab is ready. Now, let's move on to the next tab. Setting up the month tab. The Month tab gives you a quick overview of your financial goals and progress. Here's what you need to know. 1, only edit the white cells, everything else updates automatically. 2, as you can see, it pulls the month, currency, icons, and categories from the Customization tab. Now let's fill it in. In the Income section, enter your income goals for each category. In the Expenses section, input your planned spending amount. In the Debts section, specify how much you aim to pay off. In the Savings and Investment section, enter your savings and investment targets. Important notes. 1, at first, the charts may initially appear empty. Don't worry. They'll update automatically once you start adding transactions. 2, there's no need to do any calculations. The spreadsheet does everything for you. 3, you don't have to enter your actual amounts manually. The spreadsheet does it for you. It automatically calculates everything based on the info you add in the Transactions tab. And that's it for the Monthly Dashboard tab. Now let's move on to the next tab. Setting up the Transactions tab. The Transactions tab is where you log your daily money moves. Here's how to use it. Step 1, set your starting balance. This is any money carried over from previous months. If you don't have a starting balance, just leave it as 0. Step 2, fill in the transaction table. For each transaction, enter date. Double-click the first empty cell in the date column to pick a date from the calendar. Category, select whether it's income, an expense, a debt, or savings investment. Category name. A drop-down menu will appear with all the category names you entered in the Customization tab. Choose the specific category from the drop-down list. Calendar. Tick this if you want the transaction to show up in the Smart Bill calendar. Description. Give it a name. Amount. Enter the exact amount, including cents. Subscription. Tick this if it's a recurring subscription. This allows them to appear in the Month tab and be calculated together. Notes. Add any extra details or leave it blank. Now, on the right side, you'll see your daily money earned, spent, and remaining balance updated automatically. No manual calculations needed. When we go back to the month tab, we can see that all our transactions are being calculated and displayed here. At the top, you'll see your total income, expenses, savings, and debts, plus how much money you have left to spend. And the best part, it's all calculated for you automatically. How to add more rows. Back to the Transactions tab, let's say you need to add additional rows and ensure the formatting is applied correctly. Here's what you should do. At the bottom, enter the number of rows you need and hit Add. Select the last 3 empty rows and drag them down to apply formatting. And that's it. Your Transactions tab is good to go. Now let's move on to the next tab. So the Calendar tab automatically shows all the transactions you chose to include in the Smart Bill calendar when filling the Transactions tab. How to use the Calendar tab. Step 1. Choose whether your calendar starts on Sunday or Monday. Step 2. Tick the checkboxes once you've paid a bill. The spreadsheet will automatically calculate it as a paid bill and update the payment status accordingly. That's it. Everything else in this tab is automatic. And that's all there is to it. Your Calendar tab is ready. Now that the budget tracker is set up, let's head over to the free habit tracker that comes with it. This next part is such a fun bonus. If you grab the budget tracker, then surprise, you also get access to a free e-habit tracker. And just so you know, the annual version of this habit tracker works the exact same way, just stretched across the full year instead of 1 month. Here's what you'll see when you open the spreadsheet. 1. An instructions page. Just like before, you'll get a simple guide explaining how to use the tracker. 2. A bonus goal-setting page. You'll find a yearly goals page where you can list out the big things you want to achieve. Check a box when you complete a goal, and it'll get a strike through to mark it as done. Also, the dates and calendar automatically update every year, so you're always on track. 3. The main sheet tab, which is named Habit Tracker. This is where everything comes together and where you'll be tracking your daily, weekly, and monthly habits. Now let's set up the habit tracker. Step 1. Set your start date. Double-click the cell at the top and pick the first day of the month you're starting. The whole calendar for that month will show up automatically. No need to fill anything out manually, easy peasy. Step 2. List your daily habits. Now type in the habits you want to track every day. As soon as you tuck them in, the checkboxes appear like magic. Step 3. Set your rewards. Scroll to the right side of the sheet and decide what reward you'll give yourself if you stick with each habit for the full month. Each habit can have its own reward, whether it's cheat meal, a new book, or a guilt-free Netflix binge, you decide. Step 4. Fill in the well-being tracker. You'll also track how you're feeling throughout the month. 1. Set your daily sleep goal, how many hours you want to get. 2. Rate your mood from 0, bad day, to 10, amazing day. 3. Track your energy levels from 0 to 10. 4. And your stress from 0, totally chill, to 10, totally stressed out. This helps you spot patterns and take care of your overall well-being, not just your habits. Step 5. Weekly habits. Got habits that only happen once a week. You can list them here and track them over 4 weeks. Super helpful for things like meal planning or weekly check-ins. Step 6. Monthly habits. These are things you do just once a month. You'll enter them into the 4 different life categories listed: skincare, finances, relationships, career, or any other area you want to improve. How it all works. 1. Every time you complete a habit, just tick the checkbox and the tracker does the rest. Your bar charts and progress stats update automatically. 2, if you complete a habit every day for a week, you earn a star. It's a little reward for being consistent. Three, your well-being scores also update daily as you log sleep, mood, energy, and stress. This gives you an overall picture of how you're really doing, not just how many boxes you tick. 4, for weekly and monthly habits, just check them off once you've done them. They'll turn gray and get a strike through, and the pie charts will update in real time. Lastly, you can also track your overall progress over on the right side of the sheet. Perfect for a quick motivation boost. And just so you know, the annual version of this habit tracker works the exact same way, just stretched across the full year instead of 1 month. To get your hands on these trackers, just click the link in the description. You'll be able to choose either the monthly version or the annual version, whatever fits your needs best. And that's it. You now have a budget tracker to track your finances and a habit tracker to help you stay consistent and take care of yourself along the way. Everything's fully automated, beautifully designed, and honestly, just fun to use. If this helped you out, give the video a like, hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments if you've got any questions. I'd love to help. Thanks so much for watching. Go grab your trackers now, and let's make this journey fun and totally successful. You've got this.